Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you love to knit or crochet, then stop wasting your time using junky yarn. You really need to use the best, and that's what I've been using from Kalapanta. I am so impressed by how soft and luxurious this yarn is. This is 100% cashmere, and I can tell that it is high quality, top of the line. Number one, because it doesn't pill. So I had to rip out and redo the first 5 rows on my top at least 6 times, and I really use that yarn over and over. And as you can see, there's no pilling, and it just looks fabulous. Secondly, it is not scratchy or itchy. Less quality cashmere will be scratchy, and this is not at all. You cannot believe how soft it is. I got the 20 pack in the color beige. This is their luxury prestige line, and this is fingering weight. So the sweater that I made, as you can see, is 3/4 length sleeves off the shoulder, and I used 15 of the skeins in order to make this. This yarn is an absolute delight to work with. You just want to cuddle up with it while you're doing your project because it feels so good and it's so warm and it is just amazing. This is absolutely fabulous yarn. It's beautiful. It is high quality. I cannot recommend it enough. And that's my point of view.